my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, it is Tablescape Sunday time again, and I'm coming today to you with an open invite invitation. I have my notes here, so I'll be reading off my notes. Okay. Today I'm extending an open invitation collaboration for May 3rd. It is for Tablescape Sunday, presented by Diva's Dynasty, which consists of 5 ladies. Me, myself, and DIYing it, Tammy. Cynthia, she's so blessed, Cynthia. Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Lynn. Mysterious Alberta, Miss Alberta. And myself, Diva Decorating, and I'm Geraldine. Okay, now this Tablescape Sunday is hosted by me, Diva Decorating. Now, if you haven't been on any of these beautiful ladies' channels, let me tell you a little bit of what they do. Me, myself, and DIYing it, she does glam home decor, DIYs, and home projects, and tablescapes, and much more, okay? Mysterious Alberta, she does tablescapes, thrift and shopping hauls, some DIYs, some cooking, and Cynthia, she's so blessed, she does tablescapes, shopping hauls, DIYs, shop with me, thrifting, and some cooking as well. Lynn's Lifestyle Living, she does tablescapes, shopping hauls, some cooking too, thrift finds, DIYs, and home decor. And me, Diva Decorating, I do, as you know, tablescapes, DIYs, glam home decor, room tours, grocery and Dollar Tree hauls, and much more. Okay, guys? So that's what all of us do. I hope you will go over to all the other ladies' channels and check their channels out. If you like those kinds of things, I'm sure you're going to find everything you're looking for on their channels. Okay, now all of us ladies are here to encourage and support and inspire you. Now that I told you about Diva's Dynasty, let's get into the rules for the challenge, okay? It's going to be a good one, y'all, okay? Okay, now the rules for this challenge are as follows. You must be subscribed to all the host channels and mention them in your video, okay? Now, the name of the collab is going to be called Purple Mother's Day, Purple Mother's Day Tablescape Brunch, okay? Yes, we are giving our mothers a brunch, okay? And as you can tell, it's going to be purple. The theme is going to be purple. Okay, now let me get on to the rest of it. Number 2, link their channels in your playlist in your description box. Number 3, use purple or any shade of purple. Guys, that means you can use lavender, you can use the deep purple. See, I have my purple bow on here for mom. Okay, so any shade of purple that you want to use on your tablescape is fine. Now, if you don't have a lot of purple, you can also add in another color to complement it, your silvers, your golds, that sort of thing. So if that's what you want to add in with yours, that is good as well. Okay, number, 4, share one special memory or special thing about your mother. Now, if your mother is not with you anymore, that's perfectly fine. I just want you to share a memory, a very special memory that you have of your mother with all of us, okay? And with everything that's going on right now, we need to put our minds on other things besides this coronavirus that's going on right now. So a memory about your mom and sharing it with us, that's a good way to put your mind on something that makes you smile, or a special memory that makes you smile about your mom, okay? Which I don't have my mother with me anymore. If you know, I've shared that before. I am a foster child, so I had a foster mother and my biological mother. Okay, so I'll probably be sharing one special thing about the both of them. Okay, now number 5, display a brunch meal for mom. Okay, now that means that it can be store-bought or you can fix it yourself. If you don't want to do a whole meal, it's perfectly fine. You can do a dessert, you can do a snack for mom, but the thing is a brunch, okay? But we're perfectly fine if you don't want to do a whole brunch meal, okay? So that's totally up to you. Okay, number 6, title your video Purple Mother's Day Tablescape Brunch. Okay, that's purple Mother's Day Tablescape Brunch. Okay, number 7, use the hashtag Mother's Day Tablescape Brunch 2020. Okay, hashtag Mother's Day Tablescape Brunch 2020. Number 8, the upload date is May 3rd, 2020, anytime after midnight. Please no earlier than that. Number 9, add your video to the playlist. Number 10, just have some Purple Mother's Day fun. Okay, guys? Now, if you plan on participating, just leave me a Mom's Day in the comment section below. Okay? So, guys, that is it. I can't wait to see all you guys' Purple Mother's Day tablescape, because this is Mom's favorite color and this is what she wants us to do for her, and we want to show Mom that we love her, and we're going to deck out our table in her favorite color, which is purple. Okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Okay? Please subscribe. Sometimes I get so tongue-tied, guys. Y'all gotta excuse me. Okay? Please like, share, comment, okay, and share this video. I'm not editing this out either, okay? I done did this whole video. I got to the end messed up. Y'all know I'm not doing it over, okay? So, until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.